Hey, what's going on, World Wide Web? It's me, Marlon O Bennett, the original student of the game of internet marketing. I'm just an ordinary guy with extraordinary vision. A guy who's been able to teach myself some extraordinary things, and I'm always sharing them with future internet marketing students. Guys, what's going on? The first thing I want to do to talk to you guys about today in this video is, well, the first thing I want to do is wish you guys a happy holiday season. Okay, we're right in the middle of the holiday season, guys. At this recording, at the time of this recording, we are just a couple of days away from Thanksgiving, and you guys know how time flies. So before you know it, it'll be Christmas, and before it, it'll be New Year's. So I just wanted to make sure I stopped to tell everybody happy holidays. Okay, in the next video, guys, we're going to be talking about how to make money on your computer. We're going to be talking about how to make money on your computer and work from home online and make money, okay? And we're going to be talking about it using ASMs, okay? Automated sales funnels. I told you guys I was going to dive a little bit deeper into the actual automated sales systems and funnels. So guys, hold on to your seats and let's talk a little bit more about that right now. Okay, guys, here we go. Hey, guys, before we get into the actual video, let's just take a moment in time to talk about why it is most people get disenchanted, they get discouraged, or why most people fail to ever make any money online working from home, okay? There are several reasons why that occurs, and I'm going to talk about a couple of them. Then we're going to look at an actual ASM, an automated sales funnel, and see can't we solve those challenges for you if you have encountered these challenges before, okay? Number one, guys, a lot of people just don't have what I like to think of as a high converting offer, okay? Most people don't have what's known as a high converting offer. And that's just simply an offer that is enticing. And when presented to people the right way, it's really going to be kind of hard to resist. Let's just call it an irresistible offer, okay? Secondly, most people don't get enough exposure to their business, that high converting offer, which leads into reason number three. Most people, either they don't have or they don't implement the training that comes with the business opportunity, right? Whatever it is. And just like clockwork, guys, my wife will be calling me while I'm doing this video. I'm not going to hold the video, guys, because my son is actually picking my wife up, so I know where she is. She's fine, so I'm just going to let that go. So anyway, guys, look. If we know that the challenges are most people don't have a high converting offer, that the people who do sometimes are not getting enough exposure for their business or for that high converting offer, and then there's that segment of us individuals or you individuals that don't have or implement the training that comes with the offer, right? Now, what's the training, guys? The training that you get in anything that you join, and there should always be training if you're joining a business opportunity. There should always be training because the training is based around you getting exposure, okay? Because if you don't have exposure, I don't care how great your offer is, without exposure, all you have is a great idea sitting somewhere, right, on your computer that's not doing anything for you, right? You can't make sales. You can't make money. You can't do anything without exposure. What is exposure? It can come in many shapes, forms, and fashions, guys. Okay, you got Craigslist ads, classified ads, solos, YouTube, Facebook. You know, the list for getting exposure to your high converting offer are literally endless, okay? You can find training for getting exposure to your business. Anything that I do in the training, you're going to find many ways to get exposure to your business, right? To get in front of your target audience, i.e. qualified prospects, people who are already diligently searching for what it is you have to offer. I say in most of my videos, guys, at the end of the day, all I consider myself is a problem solver. You guys have heard me say it, if not 10 times, you've heard me say it 1,000. If you can show enough people how to get what it is you want in life, or what they want in life, then you can get what it is you want in life. So you talk about how to make money on your computer. You talk about work from home, online, and making money. If you can solve a problem, you can do it. Now, we're looking at what I also consider the primary components of an ASM, an automated sales funnels. I'm talking most of the time in my videos about a lot of people thinking that they can just go out and build a website, which you can, and then that website sits dormant somewhere or sits silently somewhere on a shelf waiting, and people are waiting to see if anything is going to take place with just a website. I build my own sales funnels and capture pages and you name it, guys. The list goes on and on and on. But more than anything else, I love ASMs. I love automated sales systems, automated marketing systems and sales funnels, because they do everything for me. Now, the diagram you're looking at is just an example of where you can start getting what we call traffic into your sales funnel, right? I mean, there are 1,001 ways to do it. Oh, guys, I'm going to talk about some new great ways that you can do it. But anyway, understand that when you are able to start generating traffic, getting that exposure to the front door of your business, this is what it looks like in the background, right? It might look a little jumbled up. You might not really understand it, but I can bet you $1 to a dime, you guys have experienced this more than one time, particularly if you've been on YouTube or Facebook. And even if you Google it a few times, right? So what's happening is you have your primary prospects, right? They're coming in, they're opting in to a capture page, right up here where I'm kind of circling around, right? What do you want a capture page? Because guys, you always want to collect the name and or email addresses, right? Email address at a minimum, right? You want to be collecting those email addresses. Why? Because make no mistake about it, guys. They talk about the money being in the list and the fortune being in the site, the follow-up. Okay. When you got the emails to these particular people coming onto your list, right? These prospects, now you can use anything you want to do what we call backdoor. Okay, that means once these people are on your list, you can continue to communicate with these people at any time that you want to, either through a series of emails that you've set up in a follow-up email sequence, which is known as kind of like a drip campaign, or you can actually, blast your list at any given time with new products, services, and announcements that you have for your business. The second stage of what happens when that prospect comes through your sales funnel, guys, is what we like to call a pendulum page. Now, that pendulum page, you can or cannot, you can take this out of this equation, but I like it. And in this example, you guys are going to get to see it because I'm going to introduce you guys to it tonight. You're going to get to see a beautiful example of how the pendulum page works. But anyway, from that pendulum page, right, well, let's talk about the pendulum page a little bit. On that pendulum page, once this person's come through your primary opt-in page, it's kind of where they get that gratification, right? Because we're talking about solving problems for people, right? Because most people are looking to have a problem solved if they, in fact, opt into your opt-in page, that capture page, right? And you want to deliver, right? You want to deliver a promise of value on that pendulum page, right? And so the flow continues onto your sales page. Now, what happens on the sales page, right? And you guys are going to see it. Again, you're going to see it in action. Is this is where, let's say, when you talk about your copywriting skills, right? Okay. Copywriting is king, guys. Okay. Understand that. I talked about the irresistible offer. Okay. So if you have a high converting offer and you do this the right way, and this copywriting that we're talking about, guys, when this is done right, it truly is an irresistible offer, okay? And you got a solid product behind it, it can work wonders, okay? The next step from that sales letter is the actual registration payment page, okay? This is where the cash registers start to open, okay? This is your payment processor, okay? And you guys are going to see this all in its entirety and exactly how it works once you opt into the page tonight. Opt into the page tonight, guys, so you guys get to see this, okay? We're moving into the new year. This is a great time to actually start getting ready to position yourself for the year 2020 when you talk about how to make money on your computer. Work from home, online, and make money. Okay, you can do this. So, now, you're on the registration page. This is where that person takes action. Guys, I said we're talking about ASM, automated sales systems, automated sales and marketing funnels, right? Honestly, you can call it whatever you want to, but at the end of the day, guys, if you can generate traffic and leads and feed them into your sales system, your sales funnel, you can make money online. Can I guarantee you're going to make money online? No, because that goes back to the challenges that most people have. They're not even really challenges. What a lot of them are is just people not taking action, okay? You don't have to go get involved with a new business opportunity. You don't have to do any of those things, guys, right? I know people who just have one business opportunity, and that's all that they market and promote. I mean, they may have some corresponding products and services that help complement that business opportunity, but they just promote one business opportunity, particularly if it's a great business opportunity, if it's a high converting offer, okay? When you have the right training, right, and you know how to get exposure in, to feed and fuel your sales system, your sales funnel, if you follow along and implement the training to get that exposure, right, and you get enough of that exposure, you can't help but make money, right? Because after that, it's just wash, rinse, and repeat. Anyway, guys, I've taken up enough of your time. This is what I want to tell you. Right below this YouTube video, there will be a link to my actual newsletter, and this is it, right? You guys get to walk and step right into the funnel and see exactly how it works, how all of these components are tied in together, and how you can make money on your computer, how you can work from home online and make money, not only in the year 2020, but 2020 and beyond, okay? Now, below that page, I'm also going to put a page with some bonuses in it that I'm going to throw in that's going to add a little bit more value to all the training that you guys are going to find once you opt into my newsletter. I mean, it's a little much. I don't like to inundate people with too much because sometimes too much is too much. But I'll leave the bonus page of everything you're going to receive when and if you guys join me in this incredible automated sales funnel, which you'll get to see in just a few seconds. I appreciate you guys being on the video so much. I want to thank and wish you guys a happy holiday season again. And hopefully, guys, I will see you guys on the next video. As always, this is your boy Marlon O Bennett wishing you guys wisdom, peace, prosperity, and to living a dynamic digital internet lifestyle without limits. I will see you guys on the other side. Keep banging.